You have to put it still.
Oh. I didn't realize it was moving. Right there?
Yeah. People.
Well, kings and queens, what happened?
Wagwan. We're late. We didn't show up last night, but we're there tonight. Yes. We're in at the place tonight. Yes. Wagwan. Wanna say?
Big up.
Big up on yourself. Let me see who I watch when.
Happy Thursday.
Let me see the kings and the queens them were coming. Ah, black and lovely. What? Ricardo. Wagwan. Davern. Are you go?
Davern. Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Deanna. Jason.
Laurel.
Evelyn.
More
Lily.
Yeah.
Lady V.
Big up queen. What a one, Lady V. How you doing, queen? Big up yourself, my sister.
Jeanette Forbes.
Shakira, how you doing?
Marcia
Smith.
McDonald.
Belinda. Jason. How y'all doing tonight, huh? Shayna. Princess, Miss Princess, how you doing?
Big up
Good
queen.
night.
Good evening.
Big up yourself, Jeanette, Josephine. Marlene Isaac. Deidre.
Woodley.
Yep. Okay. Sharon Grant. Charmaine, good night.
Tracy.
Good night. How y'all doing? No good? No getting no tickets? No, we don't mention the Miss Princess. No, but I think so because we see her. You understand? We don't mention it.
Of course. We have to promote.
We have to, yes, because it's a beautiful thing. And we're so excited and we can't wait. We can, Lady V, we can't wait for squeeze ya.
Lady V.
Sister.
Yes.
We cannot wait for squeeze ya. Mr. Mega squeeze ya. Let's squeeze everybody. It's a bunch of squeezing I go on.
You know, say it's 1 month away.
Well, finally, let me know you have it down from the month to the day to the hour to the minute to the second.
I have it down to all that.
Yeah, I understand.
1 month from yesterday.
I saw you program.
1 month from yesterday. Yes.
Me know of Anelatan. Me know. Nation, big up yourself.
Big up.
Sharnette, big up yourself. Not Junie, big up yourself. Miss Princess laugh out loud. She's never afraid. Yeah, you should never be afraid.
Right.
Because we're not afraid.
No.
We're not afraid. So, listen up, my kings and queens. Me send call on tonight because we want to have some fun with y'all tonight. We're not going to be here over the long weekend. So we're not going to be on after tonight till next Wednesday night. So I want to have some fun with you guys tonight, like we always do. We always have fun, right?
Of course.
We always have fun. Yeah. So we have some quiz tonight because we're giving some credits because we're not there for the usual Sunday thing. So we're doing it tonight. We're giving away some credits. The only thing though, these are just quiz. They sound sexual, but they're not. So you got to think outside the box. All right? As well as we want to talk tonight about some of the most ridiculous things you've ever heard on social media. You don't have to call anybody name. You don't have to tell me where you've heard it. I just want to hear from you guys tonight. I want you to participate. Don't sit down here and look up in our grill. You understand?
Interact.
Yeah. The most ridiculous things, some of the most ridiculous things you've heard on social media. You don't have to say where you've heard them. We just want to hear some of the most ridiculous things and some of the funniest things you've heard on social media. For the people that don't really want the credits, because I know some of you participate and you don't really want the credits. So here's another topic that you can participate in. as well as the, we have the quiz, and then we have that. The number is pinned.
It is pinned.
It is pinned in the comments. So if you can't see it, click on see more. Yeah, we're going to look on it. We're going to try and glimpse on the comments as we go along. Don't get mad pan way if we not see you and not say hello. We love you now. We don't tell you that already. And there's nothing you can do about it. You understand?
Right.
Yes, yes. Big up, big up. A special big up tonight for Stacey Campbell. Big up yourself.
Big up
yourself, sister. Big up yourself. She call herself with niece.
Yes,
and we're auntie.
Yes, man.
We accept you in the family.
Yes, man.
Yes. We know say your mouth not regular. We understand that.
Yes, we do.
But we know say you have a good heart. You understand? I feel my mouth not regular either.
Right.
Me still a work, Panny.
Love you just the way you are.
Yes. In a regular. I'm still a work in progress. Yes. I am still a work in progress. Me know if it's suppressing me. Yes. So, big up yourself, sister. Big up. Big up on yourself. Let me see.
Omar and Kamar, big up.
Omar and Kamar, big up on yourself. Big up, big up, big up. Yes. Big up Stacey. Yeah, man, big up Stacey. Stacey article. Yeah, man, she is the truth. You understand? She is the truth. And yes, because me know about bad word, me will sit down there and watch you say, man. I watch her because it's the truth. You understand? She no sugarcoat nothing. She not put no whipped cream pan top on no cherry, me dear. Yeah, get it so. No bad. Raw. Yes.
Give it to you raw.
Yes. Big up Tracy. Big up Stacey, I should say. Yes. So, when I say the, well, make we start with some of the most ridiculous things we heard on social media.
Me have one.
You have one? Me have one.
Yeah.
All right, so not too long ago, me the things that me hear, I've heard it all on social media. But the most ridiculous thing I've heard recently is that my auntie is building an upstairs pan her house because she saw that this person has an upstairs house. So me know say no house, no upstairs house, never there Jamaica, just one upstairs house. They are Jamaica. Me I come out you know say chocolate can't sugarcoat nothing. Me I come out straight out like that. That is the most ridiculous thing me ever hear on social media. Me just hear this.
No, sir.
Me just hear this on social media. So my auntie I build her upstairs because she look and she said,
I want
you have an upstairs.
Yes.
So me I go build on a upstairs pan me house because me down here so long and me never see no other upstairs house. I just feel one.
Right.
So me I go build a upstairs. Yes. And that me just hear. That is the most ridiculous thing me I've ever heard on social media.
That's ridiculous. Me hear one next one ridiculous. I'm here on and off of social media still. But this is one me hear. And it's me no want no house. Because when me dead, me can't carry the house with me. But me look upon it like this. You can't carry the house with you, but you have kids, grandkids, you leave a fortune for them. You have a car, you can't carry a car with you neither.
So what is that? Ridiculous or funny?
I think it's ridiculous.
Okay, ridiculous.
I think it's one of the most ridiculous things I've heard.
All right, so
I've heard it on and off of social media.
That is Vanilla most ridiculous thing she heard on social media. Most outrageous ever. Yes, may I tell us, I just hear that on social media. So my auntie, no other upstairs house in there Jamaica. So when I come out there, all them houses that when me think say upstairs wasn't really upstairs. They were run style. All them 4 story, they were run style. My bad. Me did blind.
Yeah, man.
Me did blind.
Yes.
Me must name that wear my glasses.
No, you weren't looking too good.
Me name that, yes.
No, so, what happened is I think they were on a hill and you think they're upstairs, downstairs, and it was really on a hill.
That happened?
A must.
All right. Well, yes. So, this person originate upstairs house. So, my auntie look and see the person house and say, damn. Me never know someone upstairs can go up for me flat house. Lord Jesus. Yes, me I go do it. Because the person that do it. Yes, that's the most ridiculous thing me ever hear. Funniest? I thought I've heard a lot of funny things on social media. No, girlfriend. No. Them never did funny.
No?
You know the funniest thing I heard?
What's that?
And I just lately me hear it too.
What?
A bruise. A bruise.
A bruise?
A bruise. Instead of abuse, a bruise. A bruise.
So them have a black and blue?
A bruise. Yeah. Yeah. And the person added the sentence and say, yeah, this person I get a bruise.
So them have a big
Me not laugh.
Them have a big black and blue.
Me no know what not laugh. Me not laugh. Well, I'm funniest thing, so yeah, go ahead and laugh. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
A bruise. Or I can't, yes. So, and they were confident with their bruise. Confident as hell. Yes. You can't stay there. Oh, you know what? I'm telling people them about the a bruise. Where you take? A bruise. A bruise. Me drop on the floor when me hear it. Me say, a wara? A bruise. Yes.
Bruise.
A bruise. When I thought I've heard it all, me I tell you, social media, hilarious. 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 Social media is hilarious. We crack up enough off of social media. All right, most ridiculous thing again. Well, I may not think it's all that ridiculous, but I think I want people to look at it. That's why I think about it. That's why I'm going to even bring it up.
Okay.
You understand? Because I want people to look into it. One of the other things that I think is ridiculous, them still are dead over a bruise. Don't make me come out there come a bruise, you know. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, cut out your laughing. Don't make me come a bruise, you know. You understand? Now make me come a bruise, you know. Me will come a bruise, you know. Stop it. Yes. Stop it. Yeah. So, one of the other thing that me think is ridiculous is like, you know, I mean to keep mentioning her, you know, understand? But it's some of the funniest shit on social media has been said about her. So me have to bring her.
Of course.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes. So this is our next funny one. Not funny, ridiculous. It's like everybody, like for example, Vanilla and I, because we support Auntie and other people will support Auntie, they feel the need to say whether or not they're friends with Auntie or they speak to Auntie. You understand? Forget the friend part. All right. We're going to brush off the friend part. But them have to justify whether or not them speak to Auntie. You understand? My thing behind that is, you know how me support Rihanna? I mean, never chat to her. Never meet her. How much I want to support Rihanna and never chat to her? How much I want to support Louis Vuitton and never chat to him? Michael Kors, I want to never chat to him, never meet him. Well, probably
but
never ever meet him, but I want to support him. So when me hear people after justify that, it just blow my mind. I'm like, that is such a waste of time. Because look how many people we support and we will never ever have a phone conversation with them. Or we'll never ever meet them in our lives. You understand?
Very
so
true.
why if I take my precious time and dish it out to all Negroes, whether or not me talk to Auntie, pan the phone or not? Why if I do that? You understand?
Unnecessary.
Because whether or not you support, if you're from your supporter, they're gonna think that happened anyways. You understand? They're gonna think that happened anyways. No matter what you say, because these people, they just see black. They don't see gray, or they don't see black and white. They don't see gray. You understand? It's just straight black. So who are going to spend...
Narrow-minded.
Who are going to spend dirty-minded? Who are going to spend them precious time for break it down, whether or not me ever meet Auntie Dana, whether or not me ever talk to her? Who got them time? The chocolate don't have them time. They think where you want to think. You understand? Because me don't know when since if you support somebody, it's a requirement that you have to talk to them on the phone or have a conversation with them. Look how much people we support we will never meet. You know how much me love Michael Kors? Yeah?
Steve Madden.
Steve Madden, you know how much me love.
Gucci.
Yeah, you know, and me will never meet. Louis Vuitton,
Yeah.
will never chat to
Right.
him. Rihanna, am my number one girl. She can't make nothing wrong for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whatever Rihanna make me buy, like seriously. You know? Yeah, and we will never meet her. So that I want, yeah, me don't elaborate upon that. Yes, but me want to call in and tell me some of the most ridiculous things I never heard on social media and some of the funniest things you guys have ever heard on social media. While we have the quiz them here, yes, we have 8 of them and we are giving 8 set of credits tonight because we're not going to be back until Wednesday. So we just didn't want to just drop with supporters them what we usually spoil on the weekend with credits, right?
Right.
Yes. So we'll take care of it before we leave. Alright. So here is since while I'm not getting myself together for call and tell me the funniest thing, the most ridiculous things on the ear social media. Yeah, me try keeping my pathway or mix up with the English sometime, but God, I don't feel my fault, man. Me there too damn long. Alright.
I know for your fault. I know for your fault.
Right. Yeah. So, let me see what my chat say in the comment. Them say every show antidote. Oh, yes. Yes, Mr. That chocolate, a bruise, kill me. Yes, Mr. Me here, a bruise. A bruise. A bruise.
Still can't get over the one.
Me can't get over it. Maybe things I me hear some funny things. But when me say me drop right off my sofa. Right off my sofa.
We got a call.
We have a call? Alright. Let the calling begin.
Hold on.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night. How are you doing?
Good.
We're
How are you,
doing good.
Queen?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Shakira speaking.
Hi, Shakira. So Shakira, what do you want to say in regards to the funniest or the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard on social media?
Okay, the most ridiculous thing is a certain person thinks that she can bake better than my majesty.
Ah, that is ridiculous.
Yes, that is ridiculous.
That is definitely ridiculous. It's hilarious too.
It's both.
Because it could fall under hilarious.
One, yeah.
Yes, it could fall under hilarious. Yeah. We could laugh. Yeah, that's a big joke. It's more hilarious. Yeah. It mix up with the hilarious.
Yeah, man, it's a 50-50.
It's 50-50.
Yeah.
It's 50-50.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you, Queen.
That's a good one.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello, good night.
Oh, that was her. They hung up.
Oh, they hung up. Call back, guys. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night. How are you?
We're
Good. How are you,
good.
Queen?
How you doing, Queen?
I'm fine.
All right. Are you here to tell me the most ridiculous or the funniest thing you've ever heard on social media?
Yes, I heard someone say, "Oh, she a big house pan capital land mansion. She look down on poor people." So me never know say ghetto nice house nothing in a ghetto.
I didn't know that either. That is definitely ridiculous.
Right.
Yeah, that is definitely ridiculous.
Very much.
That is yes, that is ridiculous.
All right, Queen.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That is definitely ridiculous. Let's go. Keep it going, guys. Yes, man. We want to talk about the ridiculous and the funniest things.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night. What do you have as the most ridiculous thing or the funniest thing on social media?
When Chris say no one have to jump and split.
It was.
No one jump and split.
If the one jump and split. No, that is funny. Do you have a ridiculous one for me?
Oh, sure.
Yes. Yes, my papa-in-law said him no want have to jump and split. You hear me?
Oh, we got another one.
Good
Hello,
night.
Hello?
Hello, good night.
Night. What is the most ridiculous or funniest thing you've ever heard on social media?
Okay, when the lady said chocolate and biscuit.
Are you talking about auntie? Because auntie do say chocolate and biscuit.
Yes.
And that she called me from
You
my
can't call
time.
auntie name. Everybody knows her over here, so you can call auntie name. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Auntie said chocolate and biscuit.
She gave me that name there for a long time
Yes,
now.
from we start the master baker.
Yes.
She start calling
She
vanilla
started calling me
biscuit.
vanilla.
Yes, man.
and then it was ice cream, and then
Yes.
I want to name to give me.
Yes.
Yes. So now people are pick it up, and I think it's in a negative way because they're calling us what, crackers and biscuit?
Crackers and biscuit.
Crackers and biscuit, yes. Funniest thing again on social, penis and balls.
Yes.
So when you hear the penis and the balls, it's vanilla and ice.
Yeah,
That's what, the ridiculous people are calling us.
Yeah.
Yes, penis and ball. But the penis, one deep throat, one of them there, yeah. That's all I want to tell you. But upon a country bus, and it'll take long to come. But it's coming. Yes. All right, Carla.
Queen.
Good night,
Thank
Queen. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Hold on.
Yes. Yes. So, all right. Since we call ease up, I'm gonna give a week.
I don't know how you say ease up.
Ease up. All right, I'm gonna call. Let's go.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
Good night.
Good night, Queen.
What is the most ridiculous or funniest thing?
When one thing, auntie every night, auntie man beat her up.
I wonder if I see one was a bruise.
Come on, come tell the people.
Every night, Auntie Man a bruiser. I bet you're the one day. I bet you're the one that says see. I bet you.
The one day,
No, that is hilarious and that is ridiculous in a one. Yes, Queen.
Oh, we got another one.
Well,
I love this
I think
topic.
we alone did say ridiculous. How
Hello,
funny.
good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night, Queen.
You have the most ridiculous and the funniest thing for me from social media.
Ridiculous and funny all in one. When
Ah.
they say, cancel your majesty, cancel him, come and cancel your majesty.
That is hilarious. That is hilarious.
That is ridiculous.
No, that is ridiculous because if somebody get cancer, them for cancel somebody. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yes. That is funny. That is funny. Yeah, that's funny. That deserves a big laugh. That is funny. Yes, man, that's funny. Because you already been cancer. You gonna come cancel for me, papa. And you know nobody can cancel for me, papa. Yeah, because it will jump, split, and papa lick, and show you say it can't be cancer.
Right.
Yes, man. And when the man's so talented, how him fi be cancelled? No.
Not possible.
Social media funny, you know, me name no till tonight.
Yeah.
Hilarious, man.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
Some things are here.
Social media hilarious. They want cancer. Bring it, papa.
Oh, you're calling the wrong number. Call the number pin.
You have a cancer. Bring it, papa. Now, tell me if that is ridiculous and funny.
You gotta call the number that's pinned.
Call the number with pin. Yes. Lord, bring it, papa. Bring it, papa. You have a cancer. When you already get cancer, you're going to do that? Eh? Oh, Lord. We're getting calls. Then I want... I know for my fault. My name
Hello,
knows
good
so
night.
much funny things out there.
Hi.
Good night.
Good night, Queen.
Hi, Queens. Good night. I'm calling from Jamaica.
Big up
Jamaica in the house.
Jamaica. Queen straight out of yard. Go on with yourself.
Yeah. Auntie Donna and Majesty to the world.
To the world.
Absolutely, to the world.
To the world.
Most ridiculous word is They're saying casket and they say castic.
Oh, castic. Oh, castic, darling. Yes, man. Ha! Mr. At the pronunciation, let me know, man.
That is so funny.
Yes,
That is so
castic.
funny.
Yes, castic, darling.
Castic.
Yes, castic, darling.
Casket and they say
Oh,
castic.
God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is,
That
yes.
is a good one.
I'll go back on the live and keep watching. Okay?
All
All
right,
right, thank you, Queen.
Queen.
Thank you for calling.
No, people. On a bad, you know. On a bad.
Yeah.
On a bad. I don't want them when we not hear about and think about. On a no.
Me never think about the one.
Me never think about that one. Them bad man. Them bad. Them
Yeah.
so like lime.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Chocolate and vanilla, good night.
Good
Good
night,
night.
Queen.
The funniest thing I hear, casket, darling.
Yes, somebody just
just
called and said the same thing.
Yeah.
Casket, darling. Yes, man. Casket, darling. I want casket, darling. That means that them dead. Right?
Yeah.
That means that them dead. Them are dopey. And they lay down in a casket. And them are darling.
And I two of them space because two of them.
Are two of them out there? I wonder if one of them say a bruise.
And two of them out there.
Are two of them out there? Oh my God, man. Internet not safe, man. I'll dopey them on the internet, casting dolly them on the internet. No, sir, I cannot bother. I cannot bother. No, I can't bother. No, sir. Only I feel so funny tonight because I didn't come out here for laugh.
No.
And I make the laugh. You understand? Yes.
Thank you, Queen. Thank
you,
you.
Queen. Yes.
All right.
Casket dolly.
Casket Deli.
Jesus God.
That's an insult.
Casket dolly. Corpse, you know. A corpse. You know, so. Corpse.
Dead somebody. That
Corpse. Penis and balls.
penis and balls.
Jesus. I wonder if she want gaggle you.
I wonder.
She want gaggle you?
Must?
You must make she gaggle you, you know, man.
Yeah.
Gaggle you. Come here, give her a deep throat and you give her the gaggle.
Yeah.
All right. Yes.
She can get deep throat and gaggle.
Yeah, she look over here, she say a nice tip, bring it. And that she say
That's
a
you.
nice tip, bring it. Here, I'll lay upon you.
You know say.
Yes, yes. And if you have indentures, take you out. Because ain't nothing like a Gumby. Nothing like the source of gum. You see when this your penis here are coming out your mouth, you better take out the false teeth. Because gum me want you gummy. Me want you give me a gummy. Yes,
Deep
man.
throat.
Gummy. Me want you gummy. Me want you gummy, man. Gummy. Pure gum me want. Yes. Pure gum. Pure gum pan this a penis here. Yes.
You know, say shit. That individual has to be a very naughty person.
Pure gum me want. Me no want feel no teeth. No teeth. When this here, penis here, go in, remember big. So, you have to go open your mouth wide. Then I gotta take time to put it in. Deep throat, me say. Deep throat.
Jam it.
Deep throat. Because you can stuff coke in there, you can take the penis in there. I come in. Yes! Prepare yourself. I come in. I go and grease me down nice. There. Me go look for me bring it and make sure me replicate me bring it well. Hile down myself. Loving the hile when me come in. Yes, and a deep throat. Deep
Nice
throat.
and smooth.
Don't you gag pan it. Don't you gag pan it. Deep throat. All right.
Make sure you can take the one there.
Deep throat. Now you go with the balls.
Yeah.
Gaggle.
Yeah.
Gaggle. Go over here. Lick it. Yeah, lick it.
Licky.
White balls she want.
I
White
guess
balls she
white
gonna
balls.
get.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you like it black.
She like
Penis in them.
she want the Bringle.
Yeah.
She want the white ball.
You want to bring her, but you want the white balls. I wonder why. I wonder if because. I wonder why. I wonder if your white balls are more look like 2 eggs. I wonder if she loves eggs. That's why she want the white balls.
Me no know.
Oh, all right. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not trying to figure
I'm not
it
trying
out.
to. I'm not trying to either.
I'm not trying to figure it out. All right. Well, me glad your balls. You understand?
Me glad say your penis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
glad me a penis? Yeah, man. Because
Jam it down her throat.
jam it down.
Yeah.
All right, balls. I got it. I got it on lock.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
you
We got
worry.
another call.
Well, what next call? Then we're gonna move into the quiz. Yes.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night.
What
What
do you
do you
have
have
something
for us?
funny or something ridiculous?
When Chris talk about Corky Pokey.
Pokey pokey. Yes, me feel so good because me thinking me say okey pokey, you know. Because we have one game like that from Jamaica, you know. You do the okey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. But I know so. You do the pokey pokey and what?
Hell no.
All right. Thank you, Queen.
Thank you, Queen.
All right.
What's up?
No, sir, not too bad. Oh, not too bad. Tell her not on a bad. All right. Pokey pokey. Pokey pokey.
Something ridiculous.
Let's take a holiday. Pokey pokey.
We still did it.
Yeah.
Still did it.
All right. So then I kill me for like a toothpaste, like a lipstick on my teeth. I
I
think
just
why?
to tell you.
Why? Why you
I
think
don't
that
want you to
happened?
tell me.
So this is never my teeth. All right now. Okay. Here we go. We're going with the quiz, but I still can call if you know what in between. If you tell me about the funniest and the most ridiculous thing. Me just want to get the credits going. You understand? All right, let's get the credits going. The first question is, what's white, sticky, and better to... What?
Better to spit than swallow.
Vanilla writing, you understand? Yes. What's white, sticky, and better to spit than to swallow? All right, call her with it. Or call her with the ridiculous and the funniest thing. Yes, my love. Yeah. Come in, call.
All right,
yeah,
all right.
Get call.
Oh,
You miss it. You have to pay attention to your phone. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night. Good night, Queen.
Good
Good night, Queen.
All right, you call for answer the quiz or you call for tell me the funniest or the most ridiculous thing you ever heard on social media?
The most ridiculous thing I ever heard.
All right,
Okay.
tell me about it, Queen. Tell me about it.
Okay. It's when the twist up mouth woman say Auntie Donna have the banana on her head and how much she will bet it to work some crap. You see, what they will do, they think other people do. That's ridiculous to me.
So me didn't know all them damn green banana when we used to name when we live in country. I hope ya.
Yes.
I hope ya me did not put it on my belly. I me love what green banana, so me used to carry out from my head, you know. So I hope ya, my parents and me make me the walk. Me hope ya walk on. I wonder what.
You do that thing, other will do it. That's the thing.
They will call me family. When me did not walk with a banana on my head. I hope ya me did not walk. Or they make me the walk up ya. And nobody didn't tell me how that who with me that up ya.
Yes,
Let me
ridiculous.
have a picnic.
That's what they dwell in. That's what they
I'm
dwell in. That's why
with
they
you.
thought other people do the same. That's
Yes, that is definitely ridiculous. That is definitely ridiculous. Yes. That is ridiculous. Cause country me grow up and me used to carry a bunch of banana. When they chop it down, me put it on my head. So me didn't know me that hobby have somebody for that. I guess I know for where hobby work at then. In here, from the people all love green banana. Boil the soft one. You know the soft one. Yeah, with some cook up saltfish or some cook up stew pork. You understand me? Lots. So you will already walk over here, my dear.
some curry chicken back.
Some curry chicken back. What nice saw. I want to them. Yeah? I want to them. I things what them practice, you understand? I things what them do with the banana. And I things what feel with auntie do with the banana.
Right.
You understand?
But they're nasty and dirty.
Yeah?
And the thing about it, you know, you can't even shove a banana in them mouth, you know, because, you know want broke up all the cracker teeth. Yeah, but anyways, let's go.
All right, Queen. Thank you.
Bless upon us.
You too.
Bless up, Queen. Hello?
Hold on. Get in there.
Hello, good night.
Hold on. Okay. Hi, Queen.
Answer the question about what is white and
Yeah, what is white, sticky, and better to spit than swallow?
sperm.
I don't know no sperm.
We said
We tell you no, if you take
think
on a mind out of
clean.
the gutter.
Take your mind out of the gutter.
No, it's not. All right, Vanilla, you're working phone. All right, Queen, but that's not it. All right? Yeah.
Hold on.
Hello,
Hello,
good
good
night.
night.
What is white sticky?
Can you turn us
Is the
down in the
answer
background, please?
Turn us down, please. Turn us down.
Is the answer dirty?
No,
No,
it's
that's
clean.
clean. But we're not telling if it's dirty or clean. And a call and guess the answer. What the answer?
Dirty.
Dirty?
No.
No, that's not it. That's not it.
Sorry.
And I'm a frat either, and a mud frat. Yeah, come. What is white, sticky, and better to spit than to swallow?
Hello, good night.
Mhm.
I Queen, I'm calling.
Aye, good night.
Can't hardly hear you.
We can't hear you, Queen.
Is the answer toothpaste?
It is toothpaste. It is toothpaste. Yes. Who am I speaking to?
Simone.
Simone. All right, Simone. Text us your name and your phone service. All right?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All
let me
right.
pen. Yes.
I got it right here.
Me want me operate the phone
Yeah.
because, yeah.
Let me do the questions and you do the phone. All right.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, good night.
Good night.
Yes, calling. Yes, calling to tell you the one with Chris said. You need to go buy one level and level your cake them.
No, that is funny. And I funny category you put that under. You better put it under it.
Yes, funny.
Go buy one leveler and level your cake them. Yes, man. I level them. Yes, man. Thank you, Queen. All right. Level it. He Uh-huh.
All right. Next question. Sometimes a finger goes inside me. You fiddle with me when you're bored. The best man always has me first. What am I?
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Chocolate.
Yes.
So you get them on Facebook, you know. You don't know.
Yes.
One said, me know what bet you know. Me know what bet you know. But God send me at the gate. God send me go look for you know the gate.
So feel we God. Now no else to do. More than if you send somebody if you go look on somebody gate. Lord Jesus.
Right.
The lizard over there so say. The lizard say, me know what bet you know. Me know what bet you know. As somebody tell me about it, but God just tell me that we go look at the gate. God send me.
God said if you go look for the gate.
Because they sitting for the gate and rituals, you know.
Oh my gosh.
When you our money, you know, and she want more money from the people, them. So, and the rituals that, you know, so they hype and the something.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
wow.
These people are
Something.
bugging out. I
Yeah.
wonder if them dep on something. When the thing say them dep on something, them must dep on something.
Mm-hmm.
Them must dep on something.
Jesus.
No. No, man. Thank you, Queen.
Thank you, Queen.
Hello. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. Is it a ring?
Yes.
Yes, it is a ring. Who am I speaking to?
Pat?
Pat.
Yes.
And Pat, can you text us your name and your phone service?
Okay, I will.
All right, thank you
Queen.
so much. All right.
Congratulations.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. The answer is ring.
Yeah, someone already got the answer.
Okay.
All right. Let the phone a blow up. Hello, good night. All right, apparently them are watch. We guys, turn us down in the background before you call us, please. Please turn us down. Hello, good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Yes, the most disgusting thing I ever hear.
Yes.
Drugs in your cake, make your cake them and say so. Oh, you want to have so much different idea. You make so much different kind of cake. And drugs in your cake.
You wanna we addicted to drugs. You wanna we?
I guess we're all drug
We're
addicts.
all
Drug addicts.
Oh my
No,
God.
sir.
So how come fear cake was full of drugs pass through immigration? None of dog them no pick up on him, none of police them, nobody immigration officer them, nobody, huh? No.
Gifted and talented, and you have to the person that put drugs. That's why the cake selling. Stupid.
But I mean, when you can't beat, when you are competing against a person that you can't beat, you're gonna make up all kind of things. You understand? I see where when athlete them come over here, come bust us. Now people think say them end up on drugs when are the good old yam banana dumpling and okra and steamed fish. You understand? When you can't beat them, you are gonna make up all kind of things while you're a loser. You understand? Yes.
My suggestion is that you can't beat me, just friend me no man.
But them ego won't let them, and the ear too deep. Deeply embedded. So you know what I'm saying? At least you know it's a good thing because at least you know who hates her, although you have someone pretend for love her and hate her too. You really can't be sure, but we're at least sure about few of them. For sure. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So it better that way. You know who the enemies are. Yes. No.
Stay far and wide.
Stay far and wide. Yes, man. Yes. Yes. Big up yourself, Queen.
Big up, Queen.
Yes. All right,
Okay.
next one.
All right. I go in hard, come out soft, and you love to blow me. What am I?
Going hard.
I go in hard, come out soft,
and you like to blow me. All right.
What am I?
If you don't think you know what that is. Yes, maybe say we can look on some and comment them quickly. All right. Yes. Good night. Good night, Gloria. Good night.
Good night, Gloria.
Audrey Brooks. Can't
Audrey
beat
Brooks.
them, just join them. No, man, you don't want them, the enemy, that fit join with nobody. Nope. You mean say you can't beat them? Step up your craft. Yeah? You know, perfect your craft and do better. Invest your energy into making your business work. When you see you can't beat somebody, then you continue to push along or try something different. And as me say, and when you try everything and everything fail, try Jesus.
Right.
Hello. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. Say that again.
Is the answer meaning?
No.
No, it's not. Sorry.
Sorry.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello,
Good
good night. Seem like you're not hearing me, so I gotta pass. All right, I gotta go to the other caller. Good night. Hello, good night. If you have us on in the background, we're gonna skip the call. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have the answer, or you want to say something ridiculous or funny?
I have the answer.
What is the answer? Yes, it is bubblegum. Who am I speaking to?
Yes,
Shanique. All right, Shanique, text us your name and your phone number. Phone service, all right?
Okay, thank you.
number.
You're welcome.
Hello, good night. The phone is going like crazy. Hello, good night. Someone just got it. Yes, it's bubblegum, but somebody just got the answer.
Okay.
All right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. That call keep dropping. Hello, good night. Hello. All right, we're going to move on to the next question.
Okay.
Hello, good night. That hung up. All right, go ahead.
Okay, you play with it at night and it vibrates. What is it?
You play with it at night and it vibrates. What is it? Yes. Call and tell me the most ridiculous or funniest thing you've ever heard on social media. All right, let's go. Let's go. The line is open now. Why you all call at the same time? Now the line open. All right, yes. Hello, good night. Why the calls keep dropping? Hello, good night. Hello.
Hi, good night.
Hi.
Is the hamster dildo?
Is it what?
Dildo?
No, it's not a dildo. It's not a dildo. No, I knew someone would say that though, but it's not. Hello? Hello? It's connecting. For some reason, the calls are not coming through. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yes? What is it? Yes, it is the phone, your cell phone.
Cell phone.
Yes, that is correct. Who am I speaking to?
Marva.
Marva. Congrats, Marva. Can you text us your name and your phone service or who you would like us to send us the credits to?
Yes.
All right,
Thank you.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, did anybody win here?
Yes, somebody won. It's cell phone.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, someone already got that one, guys. Unless you're calling to tell me something funny. Hello?
The phone.
Yeah,
Somebody already got it.
someone got it already. All right, somebody got it. All right, let's go to the next. All right, the calls are coming, boy. Hello? 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 Yes, it's cell phone. Somebody got it. They're behind, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. What do men keep in their pants that their partner sometimes blows?
Yes.
What do men
Men
keep in their pants that their partner sometimes blows?
Hello, good night.
Good night is the answer. The phone.
Yes, someone already got that answer. There's a new question out, all right? There's a new one.
Okay.
Yes, what men keep in their pockets.
What men keep in their pants that their partner sometimes blows.
Yes. What they keep in their... Yes, let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. One must know by now it's not sexual. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What is it? Someone already got that. Someone already got the phone. Hello, good night. Hello?
I think it's condom.
Condom? No, I no condom. I no condom. No, it's not condom. Hello? Hello? Good night. Night. Is it what?
Money.
Money?
Yes.
It is money. Yes. Yes, it is money. Yes. Who is this?
Who is this?
Who?
Done it.
Done it. Okay. All right. Text me your name and your phone service. You hear? Hello. Good night. Hello. Some of the connection, it's not connecting. Hello? Hello? Good night.
Is it the wallet?
No, it's money, but someone already got it. All right, someone got it. Hello, good night. Hello? It's going like crazy. I can't. All right. All right. You
Okay.
calm down now, so.
All right, ready?
Yes.
I am long. You move me around with your lips and tongue. I get wet with saliva and I get sucked. What am I? Again, I am long. You move me around with your lips and your tongue. I get wet with saliva and I get sucked. What am I?
Good night, Phaedra. Yes, good night, Phaedra. Thank you, Rose Edwards, for the 50 stars. Thank you. Melanie, good night. Oh, she said money.
Oh.
I have to answer the phone, sorry. Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good
Good
night.
night.
You have the answer for us.
Is that a lollipop?
No.
No, it's not a lollipop. Not a lollipop. Come on. You think we'll get them one? We'll bust up them brain with that one, yeah? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
You-
Good night.
Good night.
Do you have the answer?
It is a straw. Who is this? Who is this? Shanique.
Shanice?
Oh, Shanice. Oh, Shanice. It's Shanice. Shanice, text us your name and your phone service, all right?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. How many more we have to go?
2.
2 more to go. Hello? Hello? Some of these calls are having a hard time connecting. Hello? I gotta move on. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Is the answer candy?
No, it is straw, and someone already got it.
Okay.
All right. Hello, good night. Hello?
Hello, good night. A question missed me just now.
Oh, sorry, the question gone. Somebody already took it. All right?
So what is the new question?
We haven't
haven't
asked
said
it
it
yet. We haven't asked it yet.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, new question. Next.
All right. What does every woman have that starts with a V and that she can use to get what she wants? Again, what does every woman have that starts with a V and that she can use to get what she wants?
All right, start with a what?
V.
Start.
What she wants.
Come with the calls. Come with the calls. You know this. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. 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 Hello, good night. I gotta move on. Hello, good night. Voice, you are correct. Who am I speaking to? Anicia. All right, Anicia. Text us your name and your phone service. Congrats.
You know what to do. Hold on to mine.
All right, Anicia. You're welcome. Guys, that one is gone. So unless you're calling me to tell me what's funny and what's ridiculous, that's taken, all right? The phone is blowing up. Holy moly. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Hello. Is it the voice?
Is it what?
Voice.
It is. but
Yeah,
somebody
someone
got it.
already got it. It is the voice. Yeah, it is her voice. But someone already won. It's the voice, people. It's the voice. It's gone, though. Hello?
Good night. Is it our voice?
Yes, someone already got it, though.
Oh, I want to win my credit to donate it to somebody in the chat.
Oh.
Yeah, someone in the chat already got it.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Next one, Vanilla. Last and final one. Unless you're calling to tell me about the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard and the funniest thing on social media. Hello? Oh, they heard that. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
The answer is voice.
Yes, someone already got it. Someone already got the answer, yes. So it's taken. The voice is taken. It's gone. Hello? It's gone. They heard me. And they hung up. Yes. All right, last and final question.
Last and final question. I am long, usually smooth, and have the word come in me. What am I?
Whoa, let me see answer to that.
I am long,
yes.
usually smooth, and have the word come in me. What am I?
Hey, Chocolate, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm fine. Hi, Vanilla.
Hey, Queen.
Let me tell you about the funniest thing I've heard.
All right, I want to hear this. Go ahead, Queen.
Last week, somebody had a show where they were dissing Chris.
Uh-huh.
She asked people to call him.
Right.
They could diss Chris.
Right.
Somebody called and said, Manos Production, Manos.
So basically, it backfire. It backfire. It backfire. Me never did hear that one, them Madhouse Production. So they are alive to this. Me put in law. And somebody called upon the live and said Madhouse Production, Madhouse Production.
Manos Production. Chris not laugh more than because Chris was listening to the live, so we were listening with Chris. Let me tell you, man. I couldn't laugh.
They won't give up me a chance to talk to you with these phone calls. Oh my God.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
All right, thank you, Queen,
Thank
but
you
that
for
is
calling.
funny.
That is funny.
Yes, thank you. All right, so you asked the last one already.
Yep.
Hello, good night.
Oh, good night.
Do
Good
you have
night.
the answer?
Yes, cucumber.
Cucumber,
Ah,
that is correct. Yes, it is cucumber. Yes. Who am I speaking to?
Natasha.
Natasha. All right, Natasha, text us your name and your phone service. You hear?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Aww, these are so good and so fun. Hello? Good night.
Cucumber.
Yeah, someone already got it though. Somebody already got it. It's cucumber, yeah. Me know, but so is other people. The phone is blowing up, sweetheart. Sorry. They calling. Everybody know a cucumber. Hello? It's cucumber. Somebody get it already. It's cucumber. Somebody got it already.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. It's gone. It's cucumber. So, over here they say cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yes. So,
Cucumber.
yes. It's gone already. It's cucumber.
Yes, all the one day when you go there and chant it down, I don't want to favor albino.
They don't know white people. They don't know white people. They don't call me friend albino. They don't know white people.
No, sir. I laugh at the one then.
They don't know white people. That is funny. All right. Thank you so much. That's a good laugh. Yes, thank you. Yeah, albino.
There's one somebody put in here in the comments said, somebody husband said, get off the phone and go wash the dishes.
That was
that
funny.
was a good one.
That was funny, yes. Hello, good night.
OMG, I called so because in a week.
You can't, man, the
Oh.
phone was going insane.
Couldn't keep up with you when
Couldn't
the
keep
calls
up with
coming.
the calls, man. It was, yes, and we're done. Yeah.
Everyone me trying to call.
I'm sorry, but
Sorry.
the phone was going insane tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Them love the one here.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know.
Mhm.
All right,
All right, Queen.
Yes. That was funny. Yes, that was funny. Yeah, go wash your dirty plate then. I wonder if you plate them clean. Now she come out and chat. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
I knew all the answers, but just couldn't get through. The lines were so.
Yeah, the line was
Oh,
going
my.
insane. Yes, the line was
Wow, I
crazy
just missed out
tonight.
on the credit. I just missed out on the credit. But here's another funny one.
Yes, tell me about
Here's
it.
another funny one.
Yes.
When auntie said so tell me what took in place.
What took it?
What
Yes.
took in place?
Yes, tell me what took in place.
Auntie always
That
funny.
is so funny.
Yes,
Yeah.
Auntie always funny. Yes, man.
Funny. All right.
Thank you,
all
Queen.
right.
Thank you. Yes. Thanks. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good
Yes.
night.
Good night.
Good night.
The other one is crazy. I saw crazy girl is sick in her head.
Crazy girl, you're sticking in your head. Who said that?
So somebody calling Tina.
Oh, no. Somebody calling Pan Madhouse Production and say what?
Crazy girl is sick in her head.
And these were supposed to be people who supported her, right? Or she was looking for people to call her that supported her, as far as I heard. Yes, and it turned around back on her. Jesus. No, that is funny. Yeah, that is funny. Another crazy one. Them can't bake like her. Oh, Lord. Yes, guys, that was so much fun. Yes, you take the insane, the craziness, and when you do it like this, you know, in a comedic way, you see how ridiculous things really sound and are. You see how ridiculous things are.
Uh-huh.
It's laughable.
Yeah.
Because that's exactly what we're doing. We're laughing at these things because they're exactly laughable. Yeah, they're laughable. Hello, good night. Hello. Hello.
For the first time.
Oh,
I watch you.
yes.
I always watch you, but for the first time, you know, 3 answers, but it was also such.
Yeah, it was so,
know.
the thing, it was going crazy, the
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah.
Yes.
At work, I'm in England.
Oh, you're at work. Oh, you're beautiful, Queen.
Auntie Adana always say, castic dolly.
True.
You're beautiful, beautiful Queen. Thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you, Queen.
Okay, nice talking to
Nice
you.
Same
talking to you
here.
too.
All right, Queen.
right.
Bye. Oh my God. Me either. Tonight was nice. I knew all the answers but couldn't get through. I apologize, guys.
Sorry.
It's just one
My
line,
phone.
and I was doing the best that I can.
And I was
had
doing the
calls
best.
coming in that was just knocking off calls.
Yeah, and I was
Yes.
doing the best I could when we started.
Yes.
It was a lot.
I wish I could have answered every
Everybody,
call,
yeah.
but I can't. I just have to take them in the order in which they come. You know.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys had a great time. I had a great time.
I hope you guys enjoyed that one.
Yes. Now you guys see how laughable these people are. You know. Sometimes you have to look really get away from the situation, because at the moment when you're hearing it for the first time, I'm sure a lot of us was upset with all the things that they were saying. A lot of people just go on their emotion and upset. But when you have it in a setting like this, now where we can call and talk about it, you really see the nonsense and you really see how funny this crap is. It's comedy. Like, seriously, these people cannot be real. Yeah, they can't be
It's
for
so
real.
ridiculous.
And it's ridiculous.
So ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. So, my wonderful, it was fun, Laurel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you didn't know.
Sorry,
I'm
Queen.
sorry, Jennifer Foster. Sorry. We didn't make it on last night. I was super busy. And I was tired. So afterwards. So, we didn't come on. Educated Skettle.
That one
Yeah,
too.
like how can you know what I mean? Yes, Lady V. That's another funny one. That is hilarious. You know what I mean?
It's so
hilarious.
stupid.
And it's ridiculous and it's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's just stupid.
both.
Just beyond stupid. Yeah, because clearly you look at Lady V, clearly she's nowhere close as Skettle.
Right.
So, you know what I mean? That is just ridiculous. Yes. But big up on herself, my kings and my queens, and it was fun. I had a great time.
I had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed yourself.
Yes, and guys, we won't be back until next Wednesday. We have a long holiday. We have a long weekend. So we're not gonna be around. But I don't know, so we always stay. We just like to be reserved with our thing. Once in a while we share. You know what I mean, when we do our things outside of social media. But it's you know, I just like to have certain things in my life private and personal, and just get to enjoy whatever it is that I'm doing to the fullest. That's just me. Who knows? Maybe we'll sneak in. But you guys have a wonderful rest of the night. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope I at least made you guys laugh.
Yes,
if
we hope
nothing
we made you laugh.
All right. Big up on yourself. Remember to get on the tickets. If you haven't gotten the tickets yet to the award show, make sure you support. Come out and see, you know, your favorite social media. Oh, your social media influencer. Yeah, even if it's not me, I don't care. Go and see the people that you support.
Support the people you love.
Support the people you love. I don't care. I'm there to support everyone. On a no, when Miss Lady V and Auntie Donna and Your Majesty, Lord, squeeze them for my papa-in-law them, for my sister, for me auntie, and for me supporter them, locks. Make you know see them squeeze them, you know. Nobody think get where.
Don't think so.
A quality quizzing got to be done. Okay? And we still have the room up for grab. For the to raffle off the room. You still have until the 1st. Because that's actually, it's the 2nd we're going to be on. Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Wednesday the 2nd.
No. We'll be on the 1st.
It is the 1st.
Yeah, we'll be
You
on
know,
the
so I
1st.
don't know the days of the week and I'm left and my right.
Thursday's the 2nd.
Oh, Thursday is the 2nd. Because Thursday, obviously, is your birthday. Thursday is Vanilla's birthday.
Next week.
Y'all. Next Thursday, Vanilla is even older, much older than I. So I forgot have extra
respect. Yes. Make sure you get it right. Don't forget that. Extra respect.
All right. Yes. Mega have respect. All right. Big up on yourself. On know me love you. And there's nothing you guys can do about it. I mean that.
Yeah.
You understand? The only time you're going to do something about it when you disrespect me. I'm still not going to eat you. I just going to
Keep you at a distance.
at a distance. That's it. God bless y'all. Good night.
Good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.